Hello, you're watching Beard Does Diecast. My name's Daryl. Today we're going to put some LED scanner lights on the front of this Hot Wheels kit car. I feel Mattel missed the boat by not putting a working scanner on the front of this casting. So, let's light this car up. This kit car is a Hot Wheels Premium. That means that it came with a metal body, metal base, and real rider wheels. I've already drilled the car apart by removing the mushrooms from the post. This car was originally going to be used for parts for a TV/movie car build contest on Diecast Graveyard, but I missed that deadline because I couldn't commit to gluing in the scanner LEDs. I have all the parts, so I'll just build this on my first YouTube video. I used a 1/8 inch drill bit to remove the mushrooms on the post. The stock red plastic scanner will need to be removed from the front of the windshield to make room for the LED lights. The interior is detailed the way the car was on the TV show, so I don't plan to change any of that. This car came with the real rider wheels, so I'll use them too. I colored the axle heads with a black Sharpie so they'll blend in with the wheels better. Let's drill and tap the post for screws. I used a 1/16 inch drill bit and a 1-72 tap for the threads. I'm going to run these screws in so I don't lose them. The driver I'm using is a T5 Torx driver. A 1/16 Allen wrench would work as well. The screws I'm using are a 1-72 thread by 1/8 inch long. These will hold the car together and allow for the car to easily be taken apart again. What will allow us to make this scanner work is this kit from Technical Designs. This is the scanner, the battery, the charging port, speaker, and a push button to turn it on and off. I have to plan out how to get all the wires and components inside the car body. My first step is to make a hole for the charging port. The interior has an opening that's perfect for me to place the hole in the base. I'll mark the edge of the interior on the base so I know where I can put the hole when I take the interior away. I'll use my auto center punch to make a mark for my first hole. Then I'll drill the hole with my pin vise. I could use a power hand drill to do this, but I prefer the control of a pin vise.
Let's do it.
I'll do this for all four corners of the charging port hole. There are the four holes, but I'll come in with my jeweler's saw and open up the hole. Then I'll take my small file and clean the edges up. I'll glue the charge port in flush with the bottom of the base. I didn't get any of the sawing on camera because I didn't think it would come out good for viewing. I'm removing the floor of the back hatch to make room for the battery. I'm going to speed this up a little bit because it's pretty lengthy. Hit the like and subscribe buttons and ring the bell to get notified when I drop a new video. Pushing the battery into place, check it for fit. With the battery and circuit board in place, I'll check to see if the base will go on. The circuit board is too thick to fit between the bottom of the interior and the base, so I'll need to remove some of the plastic under the interior. I've got the bottom of the interior plastic cleaned up. Now is the fun part of getting everything to fit together. I failed to hit the record on the camera before gluing the LED scanners into place, so that part didn't get recorded. By flexing the wires back and forth so much, I've broken a couple connections. One to the battery and the ground to the scanner. So I'll need to solder those back together. Because there's so much detail that goes into this build, I couldn't fit it all in 15 minutes. So this will have to be a two-part series. Let me know what cars you'd like to see powered up. This is Beard Does Diecast. Thank you for watching, and God bless.